Planning versus Reality, Episode 3. Today we have author's purpose as our high leverage TEK, or the most important thing that I'm teaching this week. And at 6th grade level, we are teaching way beyond pi. If you already taught author's purpose at elementary level, usually it's just pi, like author's right to persuade, inform, and entertain. At a 6th grade level is that, but you have to go beyond as well. You have to really ask yourself, why is it that the author did the choices or he or she did to write this? You have to teach the students that why did they use the different skills such as imagery, questioning, repetition, or why, what is the message? What is the difference between having a purpose and then the message that you're trying to transmit to your audience? So in the beginning of the class, I'm going to directly teach all these concepts. And then we're going to go through the slide. We're going to talk about Roald Dahl, who is the author of our reading this week, which is called Boy. And I'm going to explain to them this. This is also an anchor chart that I have, but I'm going to show this to them. I make copies for them to have this in their journal as well. So we're going to go through this during the direct teaching part. Then we're going to read together the author's note. We're going to talk about him, talk about the book that he wrote, and then we're going to go through the author's note, and then we're going to analyze, again, what kind of book this is going to be, why did he did the choices that he did. At the end, they're going to have a short quiz in All in Learning. I'm going to, at the end, my assessment today is that they're going to read the first 4 paragraphs of the book, and then they're going to have a quiz to see, to kind of judge the author's purpose for that specific part of the book. I'm also going to try today to go with them and teach them about annotations, how my annotations. All right, so it's the end of the day now. The students are gone. I will quickly tell you how it went. So I was able to teach about author's purpose. I used this anchor chart and gave this paper to them, and we had a guide question, which was, why did the author make the choices they make? And that's why we were focusing about as we were reading today. Then we went ahead and read the first page of our text. We were able to annotate, and then I gave them the exit ticket of 2 questions related to the author's purpose for writing that specific page. Today, planning and reality work. The only 2 setbacks I had is that we had a fire drill, so that takes away time from your class. And also I had a lot of absent students, maybe because it's Friday or the rain, but that means that on Monday as a teacher, I have to go over this material again for the benefits of those who weren't here, and also because we're going to continue seeing the author's purpose as we go.